But the biofuels boom turned into kind of a bust as the price of oil started to drop precipitously. It became really hard to compete. The industry started to get a little squeezed, and the technical deliverables started to get harder because we needed to overcome an even higher hurdle from a price perspective. I decided I've always wanted to start a company by myself. If you're going to try something, try it. If the opportunity strikes you, that sort of pushed me. I was like, I need to try this, if not just for myself, to honor my best friend and respect what we had planned on doing. And I went head first. I didn't just start one. I started two companies when I left Everest. One of them, Radiant, was based off of my PhD work, and that ended up scaling pretty quickly. We had a bunch of great partnerships signed with Dow AgroSciences and some other biopharma companies. We ended up deciding to merge after getting a bunch of M&A offers with Zymergen/Ginkgo at the time. We actually knew the founders from Zymergen, ex-Amyris folks, and there's a lot of synergies where we saw them taking advantage of our platform in a number of ways instead of just using our discovery. I spent about 8 months at Zymergen integrating the team and tech, and then realized that they were taking a little bit of a different path that didn't really align with what I wanted to do long term. I got an offer to be a managing partner and a director at a venture fund/studio that started up here in the Bay Area. So I ended up deciding to take that offer after making sure my team was settled. That was an interesting role, exposed me to venture capital, where we were largely a studio, but we made some minority investments as well. I would go in as the operating CTO, CEO, and chair, set the strategy, and then hire in the senior exec team to basically take it Series A and beyond. It taught me a lot about what happens on the other side of the table and the incentives from that side, which aren't necessarily aligned with entrepreneurs all the time. They have customers to please, they have LPs, and they have other things. So they've all been learning experience, even if I haven't necessarily enjoyed them at the time. And we're profitable from month 6 after starting the company.